Now, I'm expecting a few people watching this video have had this issue. They've got an iPhone 7 or above, and they've restored the phone, and you have not been able to use the home button due to some form of damage. Even opening the phone up, removing the home button physically, the iPhone doesn't acknowledge it's been removed. There is a workaround that you're going to have to pay for, but to get your expensive paperweight going again, I think it's going to be worth it. As you see down the bottom here, this little white device is acting as a physical home button, not a virtual home button. Plugs into the lightning port and works from there. Also works on older models as well. So this one here's an iPhone 6S. I've just got the card covering up the customer's information. As you see, press home button to work, press, and we're in. It does also do audio pass-through through the lightning port to the physical home button, and it also does power pass-through for charging. I wouldn't be too trusting in those two functions, but if you just want to temporarily be able to get past the setup screen on your iPhone, it's probably worth spending the $5 to $10 to be able to get one of these. Anyway, hopefully you find this a bit helpful and you get your device working once more. Catch ya.